All right, boys and girls, today we're going to continue practicing relating multiplication to division. So yesterday you saw us using arrays to divide, and we used arrays to also multiply. And so today we're going to be using repeated subtraction, and in multiplication we use repeated addition. So that's how we're relating those two together. And then we're also going to go over the divisibility rule of 2, meaning or of even numbers and odd numbers. The divisibility rule of even numbers and odd numbers. So when a number is even, it's divisible by 2, and when a number is odd, it is not going to be divisible by 2. And you're going to see us practice that a little bit more in some of these slides. So for this lesson, we're going to be going over the divisibility rule of a number being even and odd, and then we're going to practice using repeated subtraction, which is really similar to repeated addition, which we saw when we were learning about multiplication a few weeks ago. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions, and if you need to hop onto office hours, remember they start at 2:40 all the way to 3:30.